The America's Cup 2024 in Barcelona is set to be one of the most thrilling and prestigious sailing competitions in the world. Sponsored by Louis Vuitton, this edition of the America's Cup continues the long-standing tradition of combining elite competition with luxury and innovation. Taking place against the stunning backdrop of Barcelona's coastline, the contest will see the world's most advanced and fastest yachts, helmed by the best sailors, race across the Mediterranean Sea. The event is not just a test of speed, but also of strategy, teamwork, and cutting-edge technology, as teams push the limits of what is possible on water. Louis Vuitton's involvement adds an extra layer of elegance and sophistication, underscoring the event's status as the pinnacle of sailing competitions. From the design of the trophies to the exclusive events surrounding the races, Louis Vuitton's influence can be felt throughout the contest, blending high fashion with high stakes. Spectators from around the globe will gather to witness these powerful vessels in action as they navigate the challenging waters off Barcelona, a city known for its vibrant maritime history. The America's Cup 2024 promises not only thrilling races, but also a celebration of the spirit of sailing, innovation, and luxury, making it an unforgettable experience for all involved. The America's Cup 2024 will feature AC-75 yachts, which are a cutting-edge class of foiling monohull boats. These boats are known for their incredible speed, agility, and technological innovation. The AC-75 yachts can fly above the water on hydrofoils, drastically reducing drag and allowing them to reach speeds of over 50 knots, about 60 mph or 92 km/h. The AC-75 class was first introduced in the 36th America's Cup and represents the pinnacle of modern sailing technology, incorporating advanced materials, aerodynamics, and hydrodynamics. These boats are a significant departure from traditional monohulls, offering a thrilling and visually stunning experience as they race across the water. Each team in the America's Cup will field an AC-75, and the design, engineering, and sailing expertise will play a crucial role in determining the winner of the competition. The AC-75's unique combination of speed, innovation, and tactical racing makes it a perfect fit for the prestigious America's Cup, continuing the tradition of pushing the boundaries of what is possible in sailing. The America's Cup 2024 in Barcelona will see fierce competition among some of the most renowned sailing teams in the world, all racing in the highly advanced AC-75 class of yachts. Here are the key teams competing. 1. Emirates Team New Zealand, Defender. Representing the Royal New Zealand Yacht Squadron, they are the current holders of the America's Cup, having won the 2021 edition. 2. INEOS Britannia, Challenger of Record. Representing the Royal Yacht Squadron, this British team is aiming to bring the Cup back to Britain for the first time since the competition began. 3. Rossa Prada Pirelli Team, representing Circolo della Vela Sicilia. This Italian team is a regular contender, having reached the finals in previous editions. 4. Alinghi Red Bull Racing, representing Société Nautique de Genève. This Swiss team is a two-time America's Cup winner, 2003 and 2007, and has returned to the competition with a new sponsor and energy. 5. NYYC American Magic, representing the New York Yacht Club. This American team is looking to reclaim the cup that they held for 132 years until 1983. 6. Orient Express Racing Team, a new challenger from France, representing the Société Nautique de Saint-Tropez, adds another layer of competition to the 2024 edition. The America's Cup will start with the Challenger Selection Series, known as the Louis Vuitton Cup, from August 29th to October 7th, 2024. The winner of this series will go on to challenge Emirates Team New Zealand in the America's Cup match, which will take place between October 12th and 21, 2024. Emirates Team New Zealand remains the team to beat, given their recent dominance, but the competition is expected to be intense, with each team bringing innovative designs and top-tier talent to the race. Here are the winners of the last 10 America's Cup competitions. 2021, Emirates Team New Zealand, Royal New Zealand Yacht Squadron, defeated Rossa Prada Pirelli 7-3 in Auckland, New Zealand. 2017, Emirates Team New Zealand, Royal New Zealand Yacht Squadron, defeated Oracle Team USA 7-1 in Bermuda. 2013, Oracle Team USA, Golden Gate Yacht Club, staged a remarkable comeback to defeat Emirates Team New Zealand 9-8 in San Francisco, USA. 2010, BMW Oracle Racing, Golden Gate Yacht Club, defeated Alinghi 2-0 in Valencia, Spain, with their Trimaran USA 17. 2007, Alinghi, Société Nautique de Genève, successfully defended the Cup by defeating Emirates Team New Zealand 5-2 in Valencia, Spain. 2003, Alinghi, Société Nautique de Genève, won their first America's Cup by defeating Team New Zealand 5-0 in Auckland, New Zealand. 2000, Team New Zealand, Royal New Zealand Yacht Squadron, successfully defended the Cup by defeating Luna Rossa Challenge 5-0 in Auckland, New Zealand. 1995, Team New Zealand, Royal New Zealand Yacht Squadron, won by defeating Young America, defender from the New York Yacht Club, 5 in San Diego, USA. 1992, America 3, San Diego Yacht Club, won by defeating Il Moro di Venezia 4-1 in San Diego, USA. 1988, Stars and Stripes, San Diego Yacht Club, won by defeating New Zealand Challenge 2-0 in a controversial match with a catamaran versus monohull race. The 1983 America's Cup was won by Australia the Sectu, representing the Royal Perth Yacht Club from Australia. This victory was historic because it marked the first time in 132 years that the America's Cup had been won by a team other than the New York Yacht Club, which had held the trophy since the competition's inception in 1851. Australia, too, skippered by John Bertrand, famously defeated the American Yacht Liberty, skippered by Dennis Conner, in a best-of-7 series, winning 4-3. The victory was largely credited to Australia 2's innovative winged keel design, which provided a significant performance advantage. This win is considered one of the greatest moments in the history of sailing and Australia's sporting history. These results showcase the dominance of teams like Emirates Team New Zealand and Oracle Team USA in recent decades, with multiple victories and defenses of the Cup. Watch the full movie by following the link in the movie description. You'll also find a link to a playlist featuring 100 movies from our incredible trips to Italy. Enjoy the journey.